Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. Today's upper body workout involved heavy dumbbell rows, overhead press, and Eric Troy's row medley. So this is dumbbell rows starting off with the first set, 90 pounds for 15 reps per arm. This is volume week. This is volume block week 2. So I did 5 sets of 15 reps, so that's 75 reps in total. And I'm pretty happy with that. I think next week what I will do in terms of progression is I will try to increase density and drop the overall sets from 5 to 4. So I'm hoping to do 20, 20, 20 and then 15. So it's still total 75, but I'll be doing it over 4 sets instead of 5. So that's what I'm going to be aiming for. I think after next week is going to be the last week of volume block. The week after that, it will be back to intensity. So I'll be using those 160s, and I might try 170. I'm not sure right now, but it will depend on how that workout goes. So once 90 for 15 was very challenging, as you guys can imagine. For this first set, I have decided to put the entire clip unedited, but for the remaining sets, I just to save up on time and to make sure that this video doesn't go on to 10 minutes, I have shortened it. So after every arm, there's it's an immediate switch to the next one. I didn't want to bore anyone, although this volume work is pretty boring in and of itself. It's very boring. 15 reps is more for mental effort than anything else. One of the things which I noticed when I switched from this was many months ago because I've been doing Eric Troy's protocol on this for a while now. But before, when I was doing only heavy one arm dumbbell rows, after that when I switched to this high rep stuff, it it was a new experience. I was sore and I really felt the movement in my back, and I've been able to maintain that. I think this exercise is absolutely fantastic for its carryover onto the deadlift. The What it does for me is that it gives me certain amount of upper back stability and strength that I need to hold that heavy bar. I really love that, and plus I like working my back, as you guys already know, as you guys can see with most of my workouts involving a lot of back training. This is set number 3. Okay, so those of you who are tuning in who are new, the way I've programmed dumbbell rows is that I have 3 weeks of volume work, and volume work means basically doing anything for more than 13 reps per set. So initially when we started it with 90 pounds for 3 sets of 15, and now we've progressed or increased it to 5 sets of 15. I will keep adding volume, keep adding reps till I cover around 80 to 100 reps in total over 4 or 5 sets, and then I bump up the weight. So I think with before 90 I was using 85-pound dumbbells. So with the 85 I think I totaled up to 20, 20, 20, 20, and 23. So it came up to almost 100 reps, and that's when I increased it in the next volume block to 90. So we're going to be following the same pattern. I'll really own 90 for so many reps and sets, and then I'll be increasing it to 95. So as I was saying, for 3 weeks I have I have volume work on dumbbell rows, which is 13 plus reps, and then after that for 2 weeks I have intensity work, and intensity work usually involves me taking 160 pounds and doing 5 sets of whatever reps, and I try to progress on the reps proportionately, in the sense like it's a little bit, it's very little, maybe one rep here or one rep there, but it's small. The idea is to work on a lot of heavy weight, so my form is not going to be uh, it's not an issue at that time because I don't care about my form when I'm using the 160s. I just want to get the weight up. The purpose is different. Alright, so we're done with dumbbell rows. Now we're going to be moving on to overhead presses. I've been suffering from a little bit of shoulder pain in my right shoulder, and it's because I've been neglecting pressing work. So this is me doing what needs to be done to keep my shoulders happy. And as you guys know, I have genetically, in case you don't know, sorry, I have genetically loose shoulder joints, which are prone to very painful shoulder dislocations. So the heavy overhead pressing really keeps things in line and keeps my shoulders stable. And recently, I've been feeling very unstable. My right shoulder has been really hurting. So hopefully this should help. As I did this rep, I could feel all the joint realigning itself inside, and I could hear the click 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 of my joint, so I knew that okay, this is fine. That's why I did this little bit of a overhead shrug, 3 reps I think at the end. Alright, this is Eric Troy's row medley. Three row exercises going from most technical when least weight to least technical and most weight. So high to low cable rows, as you guys can imagine, this is a very this exercise always hits muscles that I didn't even know I had. I love this exercise. I would have taken the V bar type, whatever bar that is used for cable rows. I would have used that bar, but that machine was being used and I was pressed for time, so I didn't waste any. I didn't waste time waiting for someone else to finish. This workout was very hurried. My priority was getting the dumbbell rows done. Once that was done, everything else was up for grabs, but I had to go through everything pretty quick. So the high to low cable rows came first as being least with the least amount of weight and most technical, as in the form of a movement. Then came face pulls, which is a little bit less technical. I got a little bit more weight done, and then of course, boom, cable rows was a beastly 160 pounds. And I'm still reining myself in. I could have taken 170, 180, but this was good. Face caused such a burn in my traps. I remember a few years ago, and I think I've mentioned this before. A few years ago, I asked Eric that, hey, I wanna increase the size of my traps. What should I do? And he said that, well, you don't have to do anything more in terms of exercise selection. It's just that you aren't using all the exercises that I've given you to their utmost ability. For example, face pulls. You're doing very few sets, just 2 sets a week of 15 reps. That's not enough. So I've been working on that, and while I do not have a bodybuilder's look at all, I have a pretty big, thick back, and that is very important for my deadlifts. Alright, we're almost done with face pulls. Okay, cable rows, set number one, 160 for 4. I just want to give a shout out to everyone. Thank you very much for liking my videos, for sharing them. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And yeah, that's all. This is my last set. So I'm going to be signing off now. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support. Thank you.